channel. I am Aarti Tiwari. Today's breaking news: case of the new variant Omicron of Corona have started increasing in America as well. More than 40 cases of Omicron have been reported in the US. The CDC, Center for the Disease Control and Prevention, has here given many information about Omicron based on the primary data. According to the head of CDC, more than 3/4 of the people who have been found infected with Omicron have received the vaccine. However, all these people were only mildly ill. Most of them were young people, and about a third had done international travel. In the interview with the Associated Press, CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky said that data is currently very limited and the agency is working to gather more information. On the recent approval of booster shot, Walensky said, generally we know that the more mutation in a variant, the more immunity you need. We want to make sure that everyone's immunity is strong. We are making our guidelines accordingly. For the report, the disease is mild. In all the cases that have been reported so far, only Omicron variant symptoms have been seen in all of them. Only one person need to be admitted to the hospital, but no death has been recorded so far. The CDC say that some cases of Omicron has been become serious as days as week pass because its data is still in its very earlier stage. According to the WHO, the Omicron variant was the first identified in South Africa last month. Since then, cases have been reported in 57 countries. More than 3/4 of Omicron patients had been received the vaccine and third had recently received booster. It takes about 2 weeks for the booster to fully effective. Some of these people had taken their vaccine dose at the same time. Scientists around the world are trying to understand how Omicron is spreading so easily. According to the British official, the Omicron variant could be completely dominant in the UK with a month. The CDC is trying to understand whether it will be milder than other variant of the coronavirus or will be proved to be more serious. According to the CDC official, currently all the symptoms of Omicron are mild. This also be because of all the people who are infected with this variant here are the vaccinated, and such people show only mild symptoms of the diseases. That's all for the today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, use sanitizer, wear a mask, follow all the COVID-19 guideline protocol.